Welcome! In this video, we are going to look at how to access and use WPP, which is Windows Protected Print, and the PSA, which is the Brother Print Support application. Windows Protected Print Mode is a newer print mode in the Windows 11 from version 24H2 onwards, and supported Windows Server versions designed to improve the security and predictability of printing on Windows. Instead of relying on legacy third-party print drivers installed by each printer vendor, WPP forces use of the modern Windows print stack and a universal driver interface based on IPP Internet Printing Protocol. With only certified printers, enabling WPP can be achieved in numerous ways: direct on the client, via group policy, or via software such as Intune. In this video demonstration, I will show you by activating directly on a client. Before we start on the WPP, we need to check the system has the required requirements. Open the Settings menu from your home screen. Select System from the menu on the left. Scroll down to the option About and select. Here you will see your Windows specifications. Your computer needs to be running version 24H2 of Windows 11 or above for the WPP feature to be available. If you have 24H2 or above, you can now go to the menu called Bluetooth and Devices. Then select Printers and Scanners. Under Printer Preferences, you will see there is a new section, Windows Protected Print Mode, and you have the option to set up. Select Set Up. A pop-up screen will be displayed on the screen as shown here. However, if you have any drivers already installed on your computer, you will see a pop-up message similar to this one shown now. Please note what the pop-up screen is telling you before you continue. Then select Yes, Continue. You should now see the following screen with the option to turn off WPP. Now we have activated WPP. We need to install the Brother Print Support application, aka the PSA. So now, open up your Microsoft Store on your computer. In the search bar at the top, start to type Brother Print Support until you can see the correct option displayed. Then select Brother Print Support app from the list. Now select the Install button. You will see the installation process on your screen. Once installed, you will have the option to open the PSA. When you first open the PSA, you will see the End User License Agreement, aka the EULA, now select. OK, here. Once you have agreed to the EULA, your PSA will show you the version of the app you have installed. You can now close the PSA. Now, we need to add a device. Open your Printers and Scanners menu, either by searching or going through the Settings menu and selecting Bluetooth Devices. Here you need to select Add Device. You will need to wait a short while for the device to be added. Once it has seen the device, you will see Connecting under the device. When completed, you will see Ready. Once you refresh your Printers and Scanners page, you will see the following. App is installed for this printer. Now select the device you have just added, then select the option called Printing Preferences. In Printing Preferences, you can now see the options you have using the PSA for the device you have installed onto your computer. If you decide to turn off WPP, you will need to go back to Settings, then Bluetooth Devices, and then Printers and Scanners. Here, under Printer Preferences, you will see the WPP mode and the option to turn off. Once you have selected Turn Off, you will see the following pop-up screen appear. You can then select Yes to turn off. That now concludes this short video tutorial on WPP and PSA. Thank you for watching.